This is Leanne at Complete Payroll. Welcome to Payroll Country. Today we're going to take a look at how we use the scheduling module in TimeWorks Plus. So beginning at our dashboard, we're going to go to the main menu on the left-hand side and we'll select Scheduling. Under our scheduling options, we're going to select the option Set, View, or Modify Employee Schedules by Workweek. Here we'll find a list of all of our employees, and we can select the employee or employees that we would like to work with. So I'll just put a check mark in the box next to the employee I would like to work with. And now I'm going to go over to the right side and click on Set or Modify Schedule. On this page, we'll set the schedule. We can see our selected employees listed here. And then we have two choices. We can either limit with dates, what's called a non-recurring schedule, or if we don't limit with dates, which will be a recurring schedule. For this example, we're going to go ahead and use our non-recurring limited with dates. And so I'm going to select a start date and end date for this particular schedule. Now you may have a non-recurring schedule for a particular project that you want, and so you'll just click on specific dates. Recurring may be an employee that works ongoing shifts each week and it never deviates, and so you want to go ahead and enter in a schedule that would be recurring. So here for our non-recurring limited schedule, I've selected the dates of this schedule and I'll just click on Next. A new window is going to pop up, and here I can either choose an existing template, create a new schedule, or modify an existing schedule. For this demonstration, we're going to create a new schedule, and I'll just click in the button, and now you can see we have another window that has popped up to set up our schedule. Here we're going to select how often the schedule is going to repeat, and this will be weekly, so we'll go ahead and select 7 days, and then the blocks of time per day. Now, a block of time is an in and an out punch. So if an employee is working a shift where they clock in and out, take an unpaid break, and then they clock in and out again, we're going to need 2 blocks of time per day. So then I'll just select the Next button, and here is where I'm going to build my schedule under the Schedule block. You can see here the days numbered 1 through 7 and also the dates that we have selected for this schedule as it is a non-recurring schedule. And now I'm just going to enter in the times needed for my in and out for this by day for this employee. Once I've entered in all of the times for my shifts, I can then create a template if I am going to use this over again. And so here I'll just give it a name. And then I'll click Save. And now this employee, once I hit OK, is going to have this schedule saved, and I will also have a template created for this schedule. Once I select Save, I'm taken back to my list of employees where I can create more schedules. So this time, if I want to select an employee and click Set Modify Schedule, and I want to do a recurring schedule, which won't be limited by dates, I'm going to verify my selected employee. And then here I'm going to click the option Don't Limit with Dates. My window for calendar dates will disappear, and I'm to my next window here where I can either choose an existing template, create a new schedule, or modify an existing. For this example, I'm going to choose an existing template. So here under Populate Using a Template, I'll select the drop down and select the schedule that I would like to use. This will automatically populate the remaining windows for this employee, and I can just verify this information that this is the schedule I want for this employee, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. I'll click on OK, and now this schedule has been saved to the employee. To see these schedules in my employee time cards, I can just click on the employee's name, and now I'm going to go to the next pay period because that's when the schedule will start. And you can see the scheduled in and out is already here for the future weeks for this employee. I also have more information below where I can see my time card versus schedule, the schedule itself, any deviations or graphical comparisons once the employee starts clocking in and out. To go back to my scheduling home, I'm just going to click in the upper right hand corner and I'm back to our scheduling module homepage. Now I do have the option to edit or create new or delete schedule templates by clicking on the shortcut here. And we can see each one of the templates that we have by their title. This one that we're looking at is our 8:30 to 5 p.m. with 30-minute lunch. So if I wanted to modify, I could click this. I could also add a new template on this page that I can then use for employees. To go back to my scheduling home, I'm just going to click on scheduling home again. And the last thing is that we do have schedules versus time cards and schedule deviation reports. Once your schedules are in place and employees are working the designated time periods, you may have alerts set up to notify your supervisors of any schedule deviations. And these reports will be available for further documentation. So this concludes our look at the scheduling module in TimeWorks Plus. For other functions of TimeWorks Plus, please check out our video library at CompletePayroll.com. Thank you for joining me and have a great day.